Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on 3-minute series for prelims. In this video, we'll be discussing about the governor of a state in Indian Constitution. The governor is the constitutional head of the state on the similar lines of the president, who is considered as the constitutional head of the country. Article 153 of the Constitution states that there shall be a governor for each state or a group of states. The term the group of states was added through the 7th Constitutional Amendment Act in 1956. This is made to ensure to tide out any emergencies in case a governor is vacant or absent in a particular state. The governor is appointed by the president and shall hold his office during the pleasure of the president. What are the conditions to become a governor? He should be a citizen of India. That is, he could have acquired his citizenship either through descent, birth, or registration or even naturalization process, and he should not be less than 35 years of age. The term for a governor is 5 years from the date he assumes the office. He can also tender his resignation to the president. The president can even remove the governor even before the term of 5 years expires. The oath to the governor is administered by the Chief Justice of a High Court, or in his absence, the senior-most judge of the High Court. Now, let us look into the emoluments and allowances for a governor. These are mentioned in the second schedule of the Constitution. The emoluments and allowances are determined by the Parliament and they cannot be diminished during his term of office. This is done to ensure that there is no influence on the governor by the President or the Union Council of Ministers. The salaries and allowances are charged on the consolidated fund of each state. When a person is appointed as a governor for 2 or more states, then the proportion of the emoluments and allowances are decided by the President. Now, let us look into the privileges and immunities for a governor. These are dealt under Article 361 of the Constitution. The same article deals with the privileges for the President as well. He is personally immune from the legal liability for his official acts. That is, he cannot be held accountable for any of the acts that were committed during his term as governor. He is immune from any criminal proceedings in respect of his personal acts. That is, he cannot be arrested or imprisoned during his term as governor. For example, when Mr. Kalyan Singh, who was the former governor of Rajasthan, was accused in the Babri demolition case, the CBI could not arrest him because he was the governor. Civil proceedings can be instituted against him after giving 2 months' notice only in respect of his personal acts. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements. No criminal proceedings shall be instituted against the governor of a state in any court during his term of office. The emoluments and allowances of a governor of a state shall not be diminished during his term of office. Pause the video and solve for this question. As we have discussed earlier, the statement 1 belongs to Article 361, therefore it is correct. The statement 2 is also correct, therefore the correct answer is C. For more such videos on basic concepts, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.